Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch mode on your SKMEI Model 1405 solar powered digital sports watch. Now the way we get to the stopwatch is by pressing the bottom left button. That's going to be the mode button on this watch. I'm in my main timekeeping mode right now. If you press it once, it'll take you to your alarm mode. You press it a second time, it will take you to your stopwatch mode. I'll go ahead and mention now, it does have a stopwatch. It does not have a timer mode, which is a little bit disappointing. But nonetheless, you do have a stopwatch if you're trying to time something. Once you're in your stopwatch mode, if you press the top right button, that will start your stopwatch. We'll pause it, resume, and basically stop it. The only difference really between the pause and the stop is while it's stopped, if you press the bottom right button, it will reset your stopwatch back to zeros. It does have a split timer functionality. Before I show you that, let me just show you, you do not have to stay in the stopwatch mode while it's running. You can see I've got my stopwatch going. If I want to go back to my timekeeping mode, that's perfectly fine. If I want to go to the alarm mode, it's fine. The stopwatch is going to be running in the background until you stop it. The chronograph feature or split time feature is basically, let's say you're trying to time multiple runners, at least 2 runners is basically the maximum you can do. When your first runner finishes, you're going to press the bottom right button. That shows me the time of my first runner. Now my stopwatch is still running. That's what a split timer is. When my second runner finishes, I'm going to press the top right button, and that stops the entire stopwatch mode. I'm still looking at my first runner's time, so I've got their time there. When I want to see the second runner's time, I'm going to press the bottom right button, and that is my second runner's time. Now, if I press the top right button at this point, it will resume my stopwatch. In most cases, you're going to press the bottom right button to reset the stopwatch and the chronograph feature back to zeros. Pretty simple stuff. Once you're done with your stopwatch, just like any other mode, simply press the mode button. It'll take you back to your timekeeping. And that's a quick look at how to use the stopwatch and chronograph feature on your SKMEI Model 1405 watch. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.